Hi, today I'm for the REALME C53 and I'll show you how to link or link Google Assistant from power key button on this device. So if you want to use the Google Assistant by press and hold the power key button, you should open first the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Then click to the gestures and tap the press and hold power button. You should just click to the switcher to activate this option, and that's it. Here you should switch also the duration by press and hold. For example, I'll use the middle one. And now by press and hold to the power key button, we could see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. To turn it off, just click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.